Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. So I invite you to come into a seated position. Roll back your shoulders nice and slow, sit tall and gently soften your gaze and close your eyes. And let's take a nice few breaths with me. Begin to inhale to your nostrils and exhale. Begin to inhale to your nostrils and exhale. Last one, nice and slow. Big inhale and exhale. Feel that going deep into your being, to every part of your body. Remember, breath is an important part of yoga, of your being. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Great. So join me in a standing position. We're going to quickly mobilize our joints because we need to protect ourselves and then move to the small yoga pose session. Okay? So you're going to move your hands. Show up right hand first. That's it. And opposite. Remember, joints are a huge part of your well-being. Now your left hand. And opposite. That's it. And your elbows. Sometimes we tend to ignore it. And then you're going to place your hands on your waist and you're going to rotate them. Nice. To get that blood flow in your pelvis, your abdomen, your lower back. That's it. And you're going to hold on to something and you're going to bend your knee 5 times. Good. And you're going to rotate your ankle to your right side and rotate it to your left. Perfect. Let's repeat it to the other side. Left leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you're going to rotate your ankle. That's it. And to your opposite. These are basically your core part of your being, right? You need to make sure they're all safe. So now we're going to do some simple jogging, right? If you want, you can do star jumps just to get the blood pumping. That's it. I'm just keeping my notebook so I stick to the timeline. I'm going to hold on to this. That's it. Keep going. Hopefully you're feeling a little warmth, heat. Perfect. Place your hands apart, feet apart, deep breathe. Begin inhale through your nostrils. And exhale. Begin inhale through your nostrils. And exhale. Perfect. Join me on the mat. Let's settle into a down cat-cow position. So first tabletop. Make sure the distance between your forearms, kneecaps is the length of your forearm. Elbows placed on your kneecap and we are ready to go. So let's go. Today though, I'm going to move a little further. Today though, we're going to do the cat-cow with the leg movement as well. So you're going to bring your forehead inward and your right knee in and inhale, leg up. Exhale in. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. It's for your spine and your back. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Perfect. Let's repeat it to the other side. First forehead in and left knee in. And with your breath, inhale and look up. Exhale and bring it in. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Great job. Let's deep breathe here. Big inhale. And exhale. Big inhale through your nostrils. And exhale. Perfect. We're going to do the plank, right? So you're going to interlace your fingers. Place your elbows right under your shoulders. You're going to push one leg out, other leg out. And bring your body down, not up or not slouching down, right? And hold. Only 20 seconds. Come on, let's go. 10 down. Great job. Knees to the mat. Let's settle into child's pose. So let's deep breathe. Spread your hands in front. Let's get those love notes to our body. So breaths are like love notes, right? Nice, gentle warmth to our body. Big inhale and exhale. I'm keeping my head over the mat, but you go ahead and place your forehead on the mat. Big inhale and exhale. Big inhale through your nostrils and exhale. Awesome, really good job. So join me in a standing position. We're going to do Parivirta Trikonasana. That is revolving triangle. So go to the left side of your mat, right? Mountain pose. This is really good for digestion. Move your right foot to your right side. Inhale, hands up, go with the breath. Exhale, we're going to turn. I'm going to move my hand this way, but technically it should be parallel to the mat. Look at your right side. Inhale, bend back a little, and with your exhalation, you're going to move your left hand towards any part of your right foot and right hand over your right shoulder and gaze towards your right shoulder. If you can reach, go down. If not, wherever it may be is also acceptable. Tighten your kneecaps and hold the pose. Keep breathing. Great job. Inhale, look at your right first. Then exhale, get inhale, exhale, hands down. Check in with your knees. Let's repeat it to the other side, right? Always go with the breath. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, look at your left side. Inhale behind a little and exhale, right hand towards your left leg and left hand over your left shoulder. Gaze towards your left shoulder. Ten more. Feel that nice stretch on your back as well, right? Tighten those kneecaps. Great job. You're coming up. Inhale, we're going to look at the left side. Exhale, center. Great job. Inhale. Exhale, hands down. Bend your right knee. Go to the left. Let's take a deep breath in. Big inhale through your nostrils. And exhale. Big inhale through your nostrils. And exhale. Awesome. Good job. Check in with your knees. So the next pose is Triakatti Sakrasana, really good for a strong back and to lose weight. So the triangle is also really good to lose weight other than digestion, right? So meet me in the left side of your mat, mountain pose. Move your right foot to your right side. Inhale, sweep your hands all the way over your head this time. Not sure if you can see my head, but your fingers are going to be, palms are going to be turned outward, right? You're going to interlace them, palms outward. Pull yourself up. Good. Inhale. Exhale, you're going to turn to your right side. This time, both your feet are aligned to your right side. But your left foot is just a smidge, yeah? Inhale behind a little. Exhale all the way nice and slow, parallel to your right foot, parallel to the mat. Gaze at your middle finger, your right middle finger or your left middle finger, just one point. Tighten your kneecaps, bring your ears aligned with your upper arms. Ten more. Great job. Inhale. Look at the right first. Exhale, both feet to the center. Inhale. Exhale, release hands. Let's check in with our legs, knees. Let's repeat it to the other side. Great job. Inhale, hands all the way up. Again, interlace, palms facing upwards. Pull yourself up. Inhale. Exhale, turn to your left side, right foot turned also just a little bit. Inhale behind, exhale nice and slow parallel to the mat. And you're going to check your alignment. Your ears should be aligned with your upper arms. Your knees should be tightened. You're gazing at one middle finger. Breathe, that helps. Five more seconds. Great job. Inhale, look at the left. Exhale to the center. Inhale. Exhale, nice and slow, hands down. Check in with your right, check in with your left. Bend your right, go to the left. Great job. Hands apart, feet apart, deep breathe. Big inhale to your nostrils. And exhale. Big inhale to your nostrils. And exhale. Really good job, guys. Check in with your knees. Sometimes you might feel a little tension on your ankles, right? Let's do the chair pose, which is good for endurance, a strong immune system, right? Bring your feet together this time, but your ankles are going to be just a little apart, not together like the full mountain, yeah? Good. Stand straight, mountain pose. Inhale, sweep your hands all the way up. This time they're meeting in Namaskar Mudra, and then you're going to turn into Anjali Mudra. So that's like that, over your head. Just showing you in case you can't see all the way on top. Inhale, exhale, we're going to come into a nice slow squat. I'm going to move a little forward because I am touching the wall. Just hang on, breathe normally, stay there. And we're going to check in with our alignment. So your knees need to be behind your toes. They cannot go over your toes. Tighten through your core. If you feel like it's a bit challenging and you're sweating, that's the point. This strengthens, it makes us, improves our endurance, right? So check in again with your knees. And remember, you've got the breath, you've got the superpower. So you're going to deep breathe. Calm yourself. Deep breathe and ground yourself. 5 more seconds, okay? Great job. Inhale all the way up. Pull your spine up. Exhale, hands down. Check in with your knees, always. Honor your body. Hands apart, close your eyes. Hands apart, feet apart. What do? Big inhale to your nostrils. And exhale. Big inhale through your nostrils. And exhale. Let's repeat it one more time because it increases the blood pressure. So even if you place your right hand on your abdomen, inhale, bloat your tummy out. And exhale. Really bring that down. Awesome. We're going to do like a fun yoga thing for you to practice at home when you get the chance, but I'm just going to demonstrate. We just practice, try it together, right? It's just a fun thing. So mountain pose, it's called half moon. Move your right foot, but it has to be turned to your right side. And I'm going to adjust my pants. And you're going to pick a point on the mat, right? Actually, yes, or a little away, but somewhere very close to you. And you're going to go tiptoe, move your left leg up, and right hand on the mat, left hand over your left shoulder. So this is the pose. So I want you to try this. This is really good for focus, right? For stamina. So you have to repeat it to the other side. All right, let's try it. Just going to try to stay on time, but let's try one time. Left side. Pick a point close to you. So I pick a point something a little closer to me. It's easier with focus. And if you fall, that's okay. You're just going to come right back. Right? So we did both sides. Great job. So lie down in Shavasana and let's cool down. Remember, don't skip this part. I'm just going to guide you. This is Shavasana. I'm going to guide you to cool down, which is really important. I'm going to be in a seated position and let's enjoy this cooling down session, right? Really good job. So make sure your palms are extended to the width of your mat. You're going to shake your neck from side to side and place it where you feel comfortable, right? Good. Let's take a nice, slow, purposeful breath through our nostrils. Big inhale. And exhale. Big inhale to your nostrils. And exhale. One last one. Big inhale. And exhale. Great job. So stay in this position till I guide you to come into a seated position. Completely relax. Just visualize in your mind how you look. Visualize that you're floating and completely relaxed. Great job. I invite you to bring your feet together, your hands together, and very gently turn to your right side. Now very slowly join me in a seated position. Make your movements subtle, graceful. Place your hands in Chin Mudra on your kneecaps. Sit tall, roll back your shoulders, relax your face. Great job. Let's take a breath in. Big inhale through your nostrils. And exhale. Great. Let's commit to ourselves to extend this calmness to the rest of the day and the rest of the week. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Great job. I'm so glad that you took this time for yourself, and I hope you feel energized and at the same time centered and grounded, and knowing that you are strong and you are able to handle whatever that may come your way today. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.